Ever been caught in that tricky spot where you have to decide between chilling out with your family or dealing with a sink full of dirty dishes? Well, what if there was a way to do both? Meet the LG Dishwasher lineup, your new best friend in the kitchen. Do you need a dishwasher that's super quiet so it won't disturb movie night? Or are you on the hunt for one that can handle everything from tough stains to delicate glassware? LG has got you covered. With cool features like TrueSteam that uses steam power to blast away grime while cutting down on water spots, and QuadWash that gets every corner of every dish sparkling clean, these machines are game changers. Plus, they're smart too. So make sure to follow our links to get the best prices, and let's dive into the best LG dishwashers. Number 5. LG LDTS5545SS. For tech enthusiasts and those who love a sleek, smart kitchen, the LG LDTS5545SS dishwasher is a dream come true. It's like the smartphone of dishwashers, packed with features that not only make your dishes sparkle, but also add convenience and efficiency to your daily life. The standout feature, QuadWash, is akin to upgrading from a 2-wheel drive to a 4-wheel powerhouse. With 4 spray arms doing the cha-cha across every dish, you're guaranteed a level of cleanliness that makes rewashing dishes a thing of the past. TrueSteam technology steps in to ensure your dishes don't just come out clean, but also sanitized and spotless. Think of it as giving your dishes a spa day, with steam gently enveloping each piece to leave it sparkling and nearly 100% germ-free. This means wine glasses so clear they could rival diamonds, all without lifting a finger to polish. And what about drying? Forget about the dish towel dance. The Dynamic Dry, enhanced with TrueSteam, practically does the drying for you, leaving every item ready to be put away as soon as the cycle ends. It's like having an invisible helper taking care of the most tedious part of dishwashing. Tech-savvy users will appreciate the top control panel with its LED display, sleek and hidden when the door is closed for a seamless look, yet intuitive and easy to use when needed. Plus, the print-proof finish ensures your dishwasher stays looking pristine without constant cleaning. Number 4. LDP7808BD. In the world of dishwashers, finding one that fits your standard-sized kitchen while packing a punch with features is gold. That's where the LG LDP7808BD steps in, offering a sweet spot for those who don't want to compromise on functionality or space. Firstly, the Dynamic Drive enhanced with TrueSteam is a game-changer. Imagine this. After the final rinse, the heat inside teams up with the cooler walls to magic away moisture, leaving your dishes perfectly dry without wasting extra energy or time. It's like having an eco-friendly drying wizard at your service. Then there's the QuadWash system. With its multi-motion arms, it's like having a squad of mini jet fighters targeting every bit of grime and leftover food, ensuring everything gets clean on the first round. No more reruns needed. As mentioned, the TrueSteam technology is like a spa day for your dishes. It blasts away at food residue while reducing water spots by 60%. Sparkling clean dishes are now a regular thing, not a once-in-a-blue-moon miracle. For those who love tech, the Think Care feature is like having a dishwasher whisperer right in your phone. It tells you when your appliance needs a little TLC or if something's amiss, helping avoid those uh-oh moments before they happen. Number 3. LG LDFN3432T. If you're looking for the best bang for your buck in the dishwasher world, the LG LDFN3432T is your go-to. It doesn't just wash your dishes, it does so with an efficiency and quietness that's hard to beat at this price point. First up, QuadWash technology. Instead of the usual 2, we've got 4 spray arms going to town on your dishes. These aren't your average spray arms either. They move back and forth, hitting your dishes from every angle. Picture this. You've had a pasta party and every plate is caked in sauce. Throw them in and voila, they come out spotless, saving you the hassle of pre-rinsing. Then there's the Dynamic Dry technology. You know the drill. You open the dishwasher, ready to unload, but everything's still kind of damp. Not with this one. Dishes come out ready to be put away, no towel drying necessary. It's like having a little drying fairy inside. At 50 dB, the low decibel operation means it's whisper quiet. You can run it while binge watching your favorite show or when the baby's asleep, and it won't disturb a thing. Perfect for open-plan living where every sound echoes. The front control panel with its LED display is like the dishwasher's command center, right where you need it. Check on your cycle without missing a beat of your home life. Number 2. LG LDPS6762D. Imagine hosting a big dinner and you're left with a mountain of dishes that resembles a modern art sculpture. Enter the LG LDPS6762D dishwasher. a game changer for anyone ready to invest in kitchen luxury. With QuadWash Pro, it's like having a tiny arm of cleaners blasting away at every bit of leftover lasagna with high-pressure jets and micro bubbles. This means you get dishes so clean they sparkle, without having to wash them twice. Ever pulled glasses out of the dishwasher only to find them spotty? That's where TrueSteam steps in. It uses steam to tackle water spots, cutting them down by 60%, so your glasses come out looking like they belong in a fancy restaurant. Plus, it sanitizes your dishes, wiping out 99.999% of germs, giving you peace of mind with every cycle. The LG LDP6810SS doesn't just clean, it's smart too. Thanks to Think technology, it'll ping your phone with updates like when you need to give it a little maintenance love, ensuring it runs smoothly for years. And for those who dread loading heavy pots, the glide rail system makes sliding the racks a breeze, even when fully loaded. Also, it's whisper quiet at 44 dB, meaning you can run it day or night without disrupting anyone's peace. And with a sleek, smudge-proof finish, it'll keep your kitchen looking sharp. No extra cleaning required. In essence, the dishwasher is for those who cherish both cleanliness and serenity in their culinary space. Number 1. LG LDF554542S. If you're looking for the best of the best, that's where the LG LDFN4542S dishwasher steps in, ready to tackle any mess with ease. With its QuadWash technology, it's like having a team of precision cleaners targeting every bit of leftovers with 4 powerful spray arms. Think of that lasagna dish from last night. No scrubbing required beforehand. This dishwasher gets a sparkling clean on the first go. You know how annoying it is to pull dishes out only to find them still wet? The dynamic dry technology is a game changer, using a smart 2-stage system to heat and then ventilate, leaving your dishes perfectly dry and ready to put away. No more towel drying means more time to relax after meals. Ever struggled fitting in tall wine glasses or bulky pots? The Easy Rack Plus system is your friend here, making room with adjustable heights and customizable tines. It's like playing Tetris, but with your dishes, ensuring everything fits snugly without compromising on cleanliness. And for those tiny items that always seem out of place, the third rack is a lifesaver, offering a special pot for long utensils or small baking tools. Lastly, the print-proof finish keeps the exterior looking sleek without constant cleaning, because who has time for fingerprints? With the LG LDFN4542S, you're not just getting a dishwasher, you're upgrading to a smarter way to tackle post-meal chaos, keeping your kitchen ready for whatever comes next. That would be it for today's guide, folks. Tell us in the comments section, are you looking for a best value pick or are you looking to splurge to get the creme de la creme? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed our content, and have a good one.